Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back at looking at my Greenlight collectibles diecast cars. I've got about 5 in today's unboxing video. Most of them are pickup trucks and one police car. I've got a 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro 4X. I've got a 2018 Ram 1500. I've got a 1975 Plymouth Fury, 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Special Services or Service, and the last one is 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. Okay, let's start off with the 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro 4X. It's Oceanside Police, California. That's the vehicle, guys. City of Oceanside Police. Being a Greenlight, obviously quite detailed for the scale. 1:64, side mirrors, plastic headlights, Nissan logo on the front. Beautiful metal chassis, rubber tires, detailed rear with the license plate. There's no opening parts on this one, but looking pretty good, guys. Okay, let's move on. This one is a 2018 Ram 1500, and it was part of Indiana State Police State Trooper out of Indiana, USA. Cool, let's get him out of the pack. Another awesome looking vehicle, guys. Beautifully detailed. Plastic headlights, Dodge logo on the front, siren lights, side mirrors, metal chassis, quite heavy, detailed rear with the license plate, chrome exhaust. Pretty neat, guys. Okay, taking a little break from pickup trucks. I've got this 1975 Plymouth Fury. Looks beautiful in the white and green color scheme with siren lights. Alright, let's take a closer look. That's the car, guys. Looks immaculate. I wish they put a license plate in the front, but it's okay, I've got some. Painted headlights, beautiful siren lights. Chickasaw County Sheriff. It's a sheriff car. Oh, they've bothered putting a license plate on the rear. And from my experience with Greenlight, I think the bonnet opens up. Yes, it does. Pretty neat, guys. Okay, the next pickup truck is a 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Special Service. It's looking pretty good from the outside, guys. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful pickup truck, guys. Black and chrome color scheme, plastic headlights, siren lights on the bull bar, Dodge logo, grille, side mirrors, siren lights, Ram law on the bonnet, on the side, painted taillights, license plate is the US flag, chrome bumper and exhaust. Pretty cool, guys. Okay, we're down to the last one. A beautiful light and dark blue color scheme 2021 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck, part of the Massachusetts State Police. All right, let's get him out of the pack. That's the vehicle, guys. I love service vehicles, so that's like an absolute delight for me. Painted headlights. There's some sort of slight indentation with Chevrolet written across. Side mirrors, State Police, Massachusetts State Police on the side. Plain siren lights. Oh, that's nice. Look at the engraving, guys. It's pretty detailed. Chevrolet State Police license plate, chrome exhaust, spare wheel down the bottom. Loving it, guys. Just beautiful. Alright guys, that's all the cars or vehicles we had to look at today. We started off with the 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro 4X. Then we had to look at the 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. We had to look at the Plymouth Fury. Then the beautiful 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Special Service. And the last one was the gorgeous 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. As always guys, stay blessed. Thanks for watching. God bless you all, and I shall definitely catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys.